snap. New stuff. Muhlbeier.
How you doing, buddy?
Not too bad. New material racks. So these are my badass new material racks made by my buddy Matt Muhlbeier at M2 or Muhlbeier Manufacturing. I had an idea of what I wanted for racks. I'm not real sure where I'm going to put them in the shop yet, so I wanted them to be on wheels so I could roll it around and try it in different areas of the shop, just to see what works most efficiently. Pretty badass racks. They have different shelves for different materials, and then that shelf on the bottom will work good for drops or shorter pieces. And then in the back, it has a shelf for sheet metal. So pretty efficient design. Matt's an excellent fabricator, structural guy, good friend for a long time. He just started his own business, so I felt like supporting him. So I had a pretty good idea of what I wanted for racks, and I portrayed that in just like a napkin sketch to Matt, and kind of gave him the general idea of what I was looking for. And then I just let him do it. And the guy's got skills, so he came up with this freaking awesome beast of a set of racks. So your friends that have a really skilled friends that you're asking a lot of, like if you want design work or whatever that is their trade of choice that they're a master in, just let them run with it, man, and you'll end up with something awesome. So Matt's been in business in a little less than a year, since February, I believe, and he was hemming and hawing about it for years, about going out on his own. He made really good money in the trades. He's an excellent welder, excellent fabricator. But I always encouraged him to go out on his own and start his own business, because us guys with skills, we can do it. If we're willing to put the work in, we might as well make ourselves some money rather than making other people rich. So anyway, so I wanted to support Matt. I had him build me this. I'm having him build me some other things at the house here, like a front gate and some railings for our stairs in our house and things like that. All stuff I'm capable of doing, but I'm time limited, and I wanted to support a buddy. So your friends that are starting businesses or have their own businesses, support them as best you can. It's way better than spending $1 million on a pair of Nikes and making Nike richer or whatever. So anyway, just wanted to show off my racks today. My racks. Anyway, my new rack. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked on it. It's super solid, super well built. Should hold up forever. He even painted it with a etching primer, so it's all fairly rust prevented. And anyway, so pretty happy about that. I am going to try to sit down with Matt here in the future and talk with him about business and how his business is going. And I really think that business is like the ultimate freedom. Like we create our own income. We're at our own our own discretion on how successful we're going to be, how much work you want to put in. But you're not relying on anybody else, and you're not stuck at a fixed income. It's just how smart are you, and how much work do you want to put in. And pretty much anybody can be successful as long as they have something to add to the world, some skill set or service or whatever. So anyway, my new rack, pretty sweet. I'm pretty stoked on it. Got another video coming. I'll tell you about it in the next one. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon.